Hi, Alok. I'm doing great. Do you have any questions you can ask me? We have joint research. You mean you and I? Yeah, it's great. I'm doing great. How are you? How come I don't know about you? Okay. Yeah, it's going great, Alok. Yeah. And what about you? Are you still in TCS? Hi, Devika. How are you? Okay, that's great. That's great. Hi, tech coding. Hello, 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 everyone. Hi, guys. So I guess now the volume is coming in. So I want you guys to, I hope I'm audible. Okay, please let me know if I'm audible or not. Thank you so much, Alok. Thank you. Yeah, I hope everyone should get their desired job, role, in any company they want. Thank you. Okay, great. I'm audible, right? Okay, guys, so I'll talk later, but this call is mainly to clear your doubts. So if you have any questions regarding anything, I'll try my best to answer everything as much as I can. So please go ahead and ask your questions. Hi, Shivani. Hello, everyone. So you can start asking your questions. It's been a long time. I was thinking to have a Q&A because a lot was happening, so we'll talk that about later. And that's why I was not available for some time. But now I want your queries. Please start with your queries. Yeah, sure, Alok. You can, contact me on Telegram or you can mail me or you can reach out to me on Instagram. I can share my, details with you, the email and everything. So you can share your CV and the desired role you want refer for. I will definitely refer you. Okay, Vishal Gupta. I get my joining letter as for the position of graduate training in graduate visa. What's that? So see, so whatever whoever candidates goes through that, the TCS Smart hiring. So the initial position they got as initial designation is a graduate training. Okay, so that is what it is. So once you become the graduate trainee, after an year when you get promoted, you will become a programmer. Your designation will become a programmer. मैम इग्नाइट का जेल कब तक आएगा, हम बहुत टाइम से वेट कर रहे हैं. ओके शिवानी, सो काफियों के इग्नाइट के आ चुके हैं. जैसा कि मैं आपको यहाँ पर क्लियर करना चाहती हूँ, काफी इग्नाइट कैंडिडेट्स हैं जिनको ऑफर लेटर आ चुके हैं. ठीक है. एंड काफी जो जो फर्स्ट जनवरी के अराउंड एक और इग्नाइट हुआ था आई बिलीव, तो अभी उनको भी आ रहे हैं. तो ये लोग ना बैचेस में हायर करते हैं, जैसे कि आप सबको पता है. तो व्हेन दे हायर इन बैचेस, सो इट टेक सर्टेन टाइम टू अलॉट ऑल द कैंडिडेट्स. सो होपफुली अगर आपका जून एंड जुलाई वाला हुआ है, जो आई गेस अगस्त में अभी रिसेंटली हुआ है, तो आपका यू कैन प्रोबेबली एक्सपेक्ट इट अराउंड नवंबर ज्वाइनिंग आ जाएगी. आपके ज्वाइनिंग से 13 to 14 डेज पहले आपको बता दिया जाएगा. ठीक है. आई एम करेंटली इन एक्सप्लोर. Okay, Shivani, I hope I answered your queries. Tech coding. I am currently in Explore. After 3 years, what will be my package approximately? So, tech coding, I have prepared a detailed video on salary for Ignite as well as for Explore. You can check on my channel. But अगर आपको exact चाहिए, because what is happening, right? It depends on your that previous band you got, your performances. Okay, but after 3 years you can expect around 4.5. This I can, like around 4.2 to 4.5, you can lie around that, because one of my friend is also there. She has completed her third year, she's on her fourth year in thesis only. So her package is around 4.2 4.5 only. That too, she was in Ignite, so a bit more after her MCA, but it was 4.5 something you can expect. Okay, next is, yeah, sure, Alok. No worries. You can reach out to me anytime. Vishal Gupta, am I eligible for Digital Wings 1 exam? So Vishal, I mean, how much experience you have? Like, if you are a fresher joining TCS, you are eligible. There is no issues. I hope I'm audible. Hello guys, am I audible? Please let me know if I'm audible or not. Yeah, Vishal, you are eligible if you are a fresher and joining TCS. Since you start the onboarding, process, then you can appear for the Wings 1 exam. जयदेव शर्मा दिसंबर 2024 में भी स्मार्ट हायरिंग होगी क्या? So Jaydev, I'm not sure because I would say hardly because already दो hiring हो चुकी है इस साल की, which is at the initial months of January, February and अभी जो recently हुई है. तो अभी कुछ कह नहीं सकते, but I would definitely say don't just rely on TCS. There are other more companies which are hiring, so you can go for that as well. Okay, I'm eligible for okay. Velu. I received offer letter from TCS. Congratulations. In that through salary package, got to know I was selected for Smart. Sorry. Can you please tell me about Smart? Sorry, I didn't get your question, Lakshmi. Can you please elaborate more for me? Alok Srivastava, after explore, you will get 33 in hand. Yeah, around. So, when you will be, doing that, removing all the package, I can tell you, but after removing your HIS, health insurance, and what we say, I guess अब तो टैक्स भी लग रहा है ना, तो टैक्स वगैरह रिमूव करके you can expect 33 to 35 depending on your band. Yeah, no worries, tech coding, most welcome. Okay, Devika, I'm joining Deloitte as associate analyst on 7th October. Congratulations, big congratulations. I'm going through the virtual training now. Any suggestion for me? I'm feeling the virtual training is tough. Yeah, sure. Uh, I know it will be tough because TCS से slightly थोड़ा आपको अलग देखने को मिलेगा. It will be tough for you as well. But what I'm saying is, like, give your best in your training. Okay, learn as much as you can do. This is nothing. I mean, they will, train you basically. So whatever you have learned in school, college, nothing is related to the tech world, the corporate world, right? So firstly, I would say don't take pressure, don't take tension. Reach out to your HRs or managers, whatever you have issues with. Okay, be vocal, be communicative. जो भी आपको tough लग रहा है, be it your trainings or any learnings, you can reach out to your HR and managers and share your concerns. And I would say, yeah, this is the start thing only, right? If you give your 100% or if you give your 100% at the beginning, right, then the upcoming days and upcoming months in your company will be slightly normal. If you are not able to give at the beginning your 100% definitely will suffer at the end. So अभी कर लो, बाद में सफर ना करना पड़े, right? So I would definitely recommend कि आप पूरा जो भी ट्रेनिंग को है thoroughly अच्छे से पढ़िए and you will get it through. Deloitte का एग्जाम क्रैक करा है यार देविका, you will do it. आप नहीं तो और कौन करेगा? Yeah. Read my above comment, please. TC Smart and TCS Ignite. TC Smart and TCS Ignite are both in TC Smart hiring. Yes, Lakshmi. As I mentioned multiple times in my videos as well, TCS Smart hiring is the hiring drive. Under that, there are two training programs, TCS Explore and TCS Ignite. All the candidates will go to TCS Explore, but the Ignite candidates will be selected based on their performances in the test and the interview. So if you scored well and if you have good, your interview went well, then you will be selected under the Ignite training program. Okay. TCS Smart Hiring is the name of the hiring program, nothing else. Then under that, we have two training programs, Explore and Ignite. Ignite is a slight, we consider the, advantage because there will be a 5 to 6 months of training programs in Coimbatore or Tamil Nadu, and you will be enjoying that. So yeah, it's a very nice program. I've been a part of it virtually, but it was very nice. Learning was amazing. Everything was good. So yeah, it was a and TCS Explore is a normal training program which you go through. Once the Ignite training program is completed, then you'll be allotted to the projects, just like others Explore candidates does. Yeah, sure, Alok. Sure, done. TCS Smart, as I told you, you might get explore or ignite mail. So with that, you can, have idea you are under explore or ignite. Underlined. How TCS allocates streams for everyone? Can you answer me? And it ILP, what kind of training it will be provided? So TCS allocates streams based on number one, your sorry, not yours, business requirements, based on locations, what all in, for example, you are at Pune locations. So what all projects are there at the Pune locations, or depending on the locations is very rare, because there are, you can join virtually to Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad, anywhere. But usually it also depends on location. Wherever they will find there are vacancy, or there are, there are need, or there are business requirements basically, then they will allot you. Okay. And based on somewhere, based on your skill sets, or some, if you have good amount of Java knowledge, then they might put you in in the Java course, Java project. But it is very very rare, because it's service based, right? They will give you KTs and everything, but it's basically purely on business requirements, I will say. Thank you, Sakshi. Do you have any information about stage gate exam? Actually, I'm afraid of it. Stage gate exam. Gate exam, I'm aware of it. We'll check. You can reach out to me on Instagram, Devika, on this, because I need to go back and check on this. I have to read about this. So I can't answer you correct right now, but yeah, definitely I'll help with this. Help you with this. Vishal Gupta, job location and LP location, does it depends on preference? Job location, yes, they will ask you your preference, right? And they will ask you your preference, और वो आपसे पूछेंगे कि आपका preference क्या है, और but वही होता है, देखो एट द एंड आपको होता है, आपको वही मिलेगा जो वो देना चाहेंगे, बिकॉज ये बहुत डिपेंडेंट होता है। हाँ, अगर आपकी किस्मत अच्छी रही, लोकेशन में वैकेंसी है, जगह है, तो आपको डेफिनेटली वो लोकेशन इजीली मिल जाएगी, ज्यादा कोई वो नहीं होगा इशू। बट अगर नहीं है उस लोकेशन में, तो डेफिनेटली दे विल गिव यू नियरेस्ट लोकेशन, उसके आसपास या कोई और लोकेशन मिल जाएगी आपको, क्योंकि मैंने इसे देखा, मेरे केस में कोविड था, मेरे को हैदराबाद चाहिए था, मेरे को हैदराबाद मिला। ठीक है। Few of my friends want Delhi, they got Bangalore. Few of my friends want Pune, Mumbai, they got Bangalore. So ऐसा हो रहा था। तो depending on the preferences, definitely it's there, but depending on the requirements and wherever they wanted us to allot. एंड किसी ने पूछा था कि ट्रेनिंग में क्या होता है, एलपी ट्रेनिंग में देखो क्या होता है, एक्सप्लोर के एलपी ट्रेनिंग में होता है, आपको कोई भी एक टेक्नोलॉजी या एक कोडिंग लैंग्वेज के ऊपर थोड़ा बहुत 15-20 दिन के लिए पढ़ाया जाता है, और कुछ नहीं होता, और उसके बाद एक क्लास में एक छोटा मोटा सा टेस्ट दिया जाता है, उसको आपको क्लियर करना होता है, दैट्स ऑल। थैंक यू सो मच आलोक, बाय बाय, हैव अ नाइस डे, हैव अ नाइस टुमारो फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू। Gokula, tell me about explore role. I got explore offer letter. What are roles we will get? See, there is a difference only between the training programs, Gokul, not on roles, nothing else uh, different between Ignite or the other candidates. The only difference is, once the explore candidates done with the training, ILP training, their managers or HRs will allot the projects to them. Similarly, once we are in Ignite, the Ignite candidates will complete the training, and their HR and their current HRs and other teams will allot them the projects. At the end, we are working on different other projects which are available in within the TCS. So there's nothing about the explore role. They might be working on development role, they might be working on support, they might be working on different tools kind of projects. So it depends completely. Mona, since I've done my thesis smart hiring, and for training, what process they make, and about exams they make in training and before training. No, no, no. So the exam will be just after the training. If you selected under Explore, right, then they will give you 15 to 20 days of training on any particular knowledge, language or anything like Java, HTML, CSS, and they will take your random your exams like MCQs, or they will give you some few codes to write. That's it, and then you have to clear it. Then you are complete with your ILP training, and then move it to the next process, which is the project allotment. Underline. Can you tell me about ancillary certification? No, I have heard it for the very first time, but yeah, I'll definitely go back and check it. or else you can reach out to me on Instagram, and we can talk there underline. I don't know what's the name. Vivek, Vivek, when will be TCS Smart hiring Smart for 2025 batch? So most probably, Vivek, it will be in, I guess, in next year. At the beginning, they usually TCS conduct two smart hirings. Since last 1 or 2 years, there was no, there was hardly one smart hiring, and I guess 2023, I guess only one only. So I guess I think there are two. So this year also they conducted two times. So I believe in 2025 it could be possible in January or February or November or around June or July. So these two times they hired they hired um, candidates. But whatever whatever whenever they will be hiring, I will definitely share on my YouTube channel. So you will be definitely getting it the notification once TCS will uh, start recruiting the smart hiring candidates. No, no, no exam. It's only after you join TCS and after you complete the training. When will be TCS start? Okay. Yeah, Vivek, I answered your query, I guess. It will be on. Hi, Shubhankar. Hi, Harshit Bajaj. Hi, Vivek. As I told you, it will be two times a year. Maybe at the beginning of the year and maybe in the mid of the year. So two times they had usually. मोहित टिके इग्नाइट की न्यू ज्वाइनिंग कब आएगी? सो मोहित, मेरे को काफी से पता चल रहा है लाइक अभी बैच अलॉटमेंट हो रहे हैं. इग्नाइट का यूजली थोड़ा डिले रहता है बिकॉज आपको पता ही होगा कि वो बैचेस देर इज अ कंप्लीट 200 टू 250 अराउंड इतने वो बैचेस लेते हैं मोहित. सो इट कुड बी पॉसिबल दैट अभी थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, नवंबर तक में भी ज्वाइनिंग लेटर सबको आ जाएंगे इग्नाइट के लिए भी. बिकॉज यूजली क्या होता है ना, उनको अलॉट करना पड़ता है जो पिछला बैच होता है उनको दे हैव टू गिव द complete the process for them, then the new batch comes in like that, so it might take time. बिकॉज अभी देखो आपके बैच से पहले भी 2022 2023 वाले भी होंगे जो अभी बैच में होंगे, राइट? सो once they went or once they became in the last semester, or once they are on the like during the last stage of their training, so might be then you guys will be coming in. Shubhankar Day, I didn't get any mail about what I you didn't get any mail, Shubhankar. Harshit, I'm from 39th batch, got scheduled but didn't receive new jail. Now 41 batch also got joining. Okay. So Harshit, so usually क्या होता है ना, whoever is available at that moment who cleared the interview, so the first preferences would be them only, right? But might be in the upcoming, what's it, upcoming batch, they might call you. But if you want to join, if you want, and now if you're available to join the company, you can definitely mail to them and asking for an update. It's a quite, reschedule में यही थोड़ा हो जाता है issue कि थोड़ा डिले करते हैं वो लोग. बट अगर आप चाहें तो आप अभी कर सकते हैं. बट मैं यही एडवाइस करूंगी, जब भी आपका ये रीस्केड्यूल वाला सीन होता है या कुछ ऐसा आता है, तो आप ट्राई करें कि आप रीस्केड्यूल ना करें. बिकॉज वो ना कब आएगा, कब रिक्वायरमेंट आएगी दोबारा, तो उसका पता नहीं चलता. तो अगर आप अवेलेबल हैं, आपको ज्वाइन करनी कंपनी, प्लीज डू नॉट रीस्केड्यूल योर ज्वाइनिंग until unless it's a very specific or emergent reason. The vendor thesis smart hiring. गौरव, टीसीएस स्मार्ट हायरिंग आई गेस अब नेक्स्ट ईयर ही आएगी ऑन जनवरी और फरवरी के आसपास. पूजा मैम, देयर इज एनी ज्वाइनिंग अबाउट टीसीएस प्रोवाइड फॉर स्मार्ट हायरिंग ज्वाइनिंग बोनस? नो, नो पूजा, देयर इज नो ज्वाइनिंग बोनस एट फॉर टीसीएस स्मार्ट हायरिंग टू कैंडिडेट्स. Usually, how many months will it take to receive a joining letter? I got a offer letter on September 16. Okay, September ही हुआ है ना, अभी तो थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा गोकुल, because it's just I guess 1 or 2 weeks for you. So it takes time. Offer letter में थोड़ा 1 to 2 months लग जाता है. So don't worry, you will definitely get it. So इतना याद रखिए, अगर टीचर्स ने ज्वाइनिंग लेटर ऑफर लेटर भेजते हैं, ज्वाइनिंग भी जरूर भेजेगा. There might be a delay, but they do not revoke their offer letters. I'm sorry, Rajesh. Okay, Rajesh has asked, my base is Kolkata, currently on Ignite training. Can I get Kolkata for further posting? How come Ignite candidates are in Kolkata? I don't know, because Ignite candidates, Ignite training, overall training should be in the in Coimbatore or Chennai only. Once done, then we will be getting the base locations. That sorry, that that another locations. But if your training is completed, you are still in Chennai and you want your base location and permanent location as Kolkata, then they will give you sheet, or you can reach out to your TAs asking for the you know for the your preference, and they will definitely gonna ask you your preferences. So at that time you can definitely reach out to them and ask them for your preferred locations. Harshit Vijay, try to reach 13 different mails and pieces, but nobody replies. What should I do in this case? Harshit, what was your query? Sorry, I forgot, it was long back. Okay. Yes, Harshit, correct. You are right. Okay, the TCS one. Huh? Yes, Harshit, that is true. That's what I've said. Like you might reaching out to them, but this is a HR recruitment process. Is a bit, a lengthy process and a delaying process as well. So from the onboarding and everything, it takes time. So now might be they are considering the ones who are, as you know, the hiring is going on. So all the, there might be considering the new ones. You might be, there on the list or maybe on hold, but you can definitely ask them. Like I can only suggest you to mail them, because there is no other way to get, into contact with them. September 16, I got offer letter for smart hiring, and when I accept my joining letter. Yeah, Mona, I told it takes around 1 to 2 months, Mona, to get a joining letter. Vishal Gupta, I had about the 70K incentive exam at the time of joining. Was that? No, 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 nothing like that. It might be for BTech candidates. It's not for smart hiring candidates. Don't misunderstood by that. The 70K, or not exactly 70K, it varies depending on the performance and the company budget. It may depend on, and it's for BTech candidates. राशि कुमार, हाय राशि. शुभंकर, बीसीए के बारे में कुछ बोलो मैम, क्या करूँ जॉब के लिए? शुभांकर, आई वुड डेफिनेटली से, सी गाइस, आप अभी फ्रेशर हो, तो आई वुड डेफिनेटली से अभी जितना आपके पास जितना आप कर सकते हो ना, हाथ पैर मार सकते हो, अभी मार लो. बिकॉज बाद में क्या होता है, वंस यू आर इनटू प्रोजेक्ट, आई डोंट नो, यू माइट गेट टाइम फॉर लर्निंग. क्या पता आपका प्रोजेक्ट बहुत ज्यादा हैक्टिक हो, राइट? सो इट कुड डिपेंड, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन प्रोजेक्ट टू प्रोजेक्ट. और अगर कोई लर्निंग करता है, क्योंकि मुझे भी इतना टाइम नहीं मिलता दैट आई कैन फोकस ऑन माई लर्निंग्स. मुझे कब से जावा का कोड करना है, कब से जावा सीखना है, बट मेरे को टाइम ही नहीं मिल रहा है. तो मैं यही बोलूंगी कि अभी आप लोगों के पास टाइम है, इनिशियल ट्रेनिंग पीरियड में हो या कॉलेज में हो, स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन योर सेल्फ. बीएसए पढ़ो, जावा पढ़ो. और मैं ये बोलूंगी, लोग, मैंने देखा है पाइथन अच्छी लैंग्वेज है, डेफिनेटली इट्स अ वेरी गुड लैंग्वेज, बट मैं ये बोलूंगी जितना मैंने कंपनी के अंदर जाके देखा है ना, जावा, सीक्वल, टू मेन लैंग्वेजेस मैं आपको बोल सकती हूँ. पाइथन भी चलता है, एआई एमएल, देयर आर डिफरेंट प्लेटफॉर्म्स वेयर पाइथन हैव बीन यूज्ड. इट्स क्वाइट इजी एज वेल, बट जावा और आई वुड से सीक्वल, एवरीवेयर, एवरीवेयर. नाउ कम्स व्हाट क्वेश्चन. सो मैं यही बोलूंगी, बीसीए करा है, वेरी गुड. You can go for MCA if you want, or else if you want to join the company, then go ahead and join it. Work on your skills, about learn different languages, नए नए टेक्नोलॉजीज के बारे में सीखो, टूल्स के बारे में सीखो. अरे लक्ष्मी, yes, you will get welcome kit. Yes, yes, you will get. Can uh, Ignite Explore doesn't mean anything. They will provide you welcome kit. They will give you laptop. They will give you everything, dear. They will give you salary. Don't worry about it. Hi Rashi. Hey, hi. Okay, so many questions are coming in. Will I get the joining letter after accepting offer letter? Yeah, will I get joining after accepting? Yes, yes, you will get. No, no. See, I have prepared a detailed video on the BGC portal, when and how you have to upload the documents. You can review that. And that is a very, very good video in detail, with all the documents, list A, list B, list C documents. Everything I've discussed in detail, how to upload, when to upload the NSRE card, when to upload the medical certificate, when to upload the mark sheet degree. Everything is there. Who asked this question? Um Ashika. So you must watch that video. It is very, very helpful for you. And once you get the offer letter, if you are okay to, if you are if you want to join TCS, go ahead, read that you can upload few of the you can few of your documents and just save it. Don't submit it now, just save it. Is Wipro WIP and SPAR same in Wipro hybrid? See, I know about Wipro WIP program. I'm not sure about SBAR, what you have right. I'm not sure about that one. Wipro WIP exam, I know it's for the BCA, BTech, BCA, BSCIT, becomes these kinds of students who have 3 years of degree program. There would be a 5 year of bond, package and everything will be mentioned to you at the beginning of the recruitment process. So yeah, that one I know. Nanjeet Paul, Didi, I am BCA student 2022 pass out batch. I am preparing for placement. Which company should I join as a fresher? Deloitte Associate Analyst or Accenture System and Application Services? So very nice question and a very congratulations on both the offers. I would recommend you he based on certain criteria join, based on job security, based on the package, based on the locations, because you know, right, taxes are there, you have to live and you have to pay the rent and everything, because both the companies are hybrid model, so you'll be paying the rent as well. Based on the company culture, based on the company culture, okay, okay, ignore my mom. Okay, based on the company culture, based on your what do we say? Yeah. Let me shut the door. Yeah. Based on the company culture, based on locations, based on package. Very important. So वो सारी चीजें keep in your mind and then join. काफी एक्सेंचर के रिव्यूज भी आ रहे हैं, सो वो भी देख लेना. मैं कोई गलत वो नहीं बोल रही हूँ, बट देख लेना एक बार, ठीक है. शुभांकर डे, या श्योर शुभांकर. बीसी कैंडिडेट्स के लिए स्मार्ट हायरिंग होती है, विप्रो बिल्प होता है, देन वी हैव एक्सेंचर एज मेंशन, associate system and application services associate, then we have associate analyst position at Deloitte. So different companies will hire at different time, right? So last year Deloitte has conducted the off campus hiring and it's a mass hiring, so maybe upcoming year many other companies will do the same, so you can apply at that time. और ट्राई सर्चिंग फॉर पूल कैंपस. यार मैंने तो सारे इंटरव्यूज अपने पूल कैंपस से ही निकाले थे, और लिटरली ऐसा कोई इंटरव्यू नहीं था जो क्रैक नहीं हुआ था, क्योंकि बहुत बेसिक थे यार, कॉलेज वाले से इतना नहीं पूछा जाएगा. तो अगर आप अपने दोस्तों से बात करो जहाँ पूल कैंपस हो रहा है, जहाँ पे और कॉलेज के बच्चे भी दे आर एबल टू दे आर अलाउड टू पार्टिसिपेट. I'm doing training in Chennai Ignite Batch 41. After the training, can I get posting? Yeah, that's what I said, Rajesh. Try connecting with your TAs or HRs currently. They will definitely look after your preferences, but it depends on your, I would say, if they have the projects there or not, if they have requirements or not. So depending on that, but definitely you will get it if there are requirements and if there are projects. Avik Chakravarti. My TCS Smart hiring interview was on 19th August, but till now I did not get any update. Is there any hope? The hope तो हर जगह ही है, but yeah, there could be a delay. You can check with your friends who has appeared for an who have been appeared for an interview, so you can check with them. Okay, ask them like whether they got the results or not, what is the process. Thesis usually send a resignation message Avik, so I guess you can wait for some time or check or mail them for an update. Hi Sakshi, I'm Raj, that you make video every time with my name. Okay, now I got it. Abbe yaar. Abhijit, that's very bad. But if your name is not Raj, your name is Abhijit, right? I just giving examples. That's the simple name I got in my mind. Oh, nice one. अरे यार, ये name क्या है? Gaming. Gyno Devil Gaming. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. I got TCS OL on September 11, but when we can accept joining later, explore mail. Yes, dear, I've just told, previous questions as well. The same question have been asked. So, October or November, you will get it. If you don't get it by November, please mail them and ask for the updates. थोड़ा वेट कर लीजिए, कोई आपसे ऑफर लेटर नहीं छीनेगा, ठीक है? सो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट, बट डेफिनेटली दे गोना शेयर द जेएल. So they usually share the joining letter before your 50 prior to your 15 days or 60 15 to 20 days of your joining. Hi, I have completed digital marketing course. Is there any opportunity that I could work in that branch in TCS? Digital marketing. So yeah, Ashika, definitely there are many projects inside TCS, but that's what I'm talking there. Here in IT world, it's majorly on your luck. If you got the project, well and good. But if you don't get, they will definitely put you in some random projects, okay, and make you work in that because it's they are the service based company. There are n number of projects in that, and they need people. That's why they are hiring so randomly and so in huge bulk they are hiring. So definitely there are requirements for different other projects as well. But if you are lucky, you definitely get it. But you definitely convey this to your HRs or the current the current managers that you want you have this skill set, so you want to work in this particular role. But it's totally depend on the business requirement. ज्वाइनिंग मैंने बोला अक्टूबर नवंबर में आएगी, तभी आती है ज्वाइनिंग. और अक्टूबर नवंबर नवंबर में तक आपको ज्वाइनिंग का पता चल जाना चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से, ठीक है? मोहित, आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू. सूर्या, MSc 26. हाउ कैन आई नो आई एम फ्रॉम इग्नाइट और स्मार्ट हायरिंग? ओके. ओके. So Sagar, Surya Sagar. If you are in Explore, you will start getting Explore mails. If you are in Ignite, they will conduct. I guess they will conduct after interview or before interview one session, Ignite session. Okay. To make you aware about the Ignite processes, what are the training programs and what all the trainings and what all they will teach you. They will what all you will be learning under the Ignite program. So that will be there. So you will be definitely with the mails and everything, you have a good understanding like where you will be joining, like you are selecting under Ignite or Explore. Lakshmi, I did not get it. Abhijit, I'm in TCS for the last 3 years, about to complete. So after completion of 3 years, will I get the anniversary and project and increment as before, like 2 years? Yes, you will get it. Yes, you will get it. Yes, Abhijit, Raj, you will get it. Shristi Talva, hi Didi, is DSA is very important. Hi Shristi. I guess if you are aware of it, if you have good understanding on DSA, then rock on. Like very nice. You can appear for different other companies as well, not just for TCS and you can appear for software developer roles, development roles, Java development roles. So the DSA is used everywhere, right? There is like it's very what I say. I don't have much idea on data structures, I guess, algorithms, but yeah, it is used in every companies and it is very, I would say, yeah, it's important. But again, if you are joining through TCS Smart Hiring and everything, if you have good understanding on that, definitely you might get good projects. But yeah, it's a good to have knowledge on this as well. Pooja, ma'am, in offer letter, they mentioned that if we clear IPL exam with 80%, then they provide joining bonus. Is it true? I'm not sure, Pooja, where somebody has asked me earlier as well that they are giving 70K something bonus, but that's bonuses I've heard only from for the BTech students, the as associate system engineer candidates, not for the BCA candidates. I'll check again and get it, let you know, guys. How many years of experience requires for switching between companies? Does it help for us for the future? Ara, TV. There is no experience required when you are switching. Be it 6 months, be it 1 year, be it 2 years, 3 years. I have been a part of, I've switched when I was like about 1 year, 3 months. No, 1 years within 1 year, I switched from one company to other, and 3 months you can consider as my notice period. Okay, 1 year, 3 months I was part of TCS, and then I switched to my recent company, which is Blue Yonder, right? So there is no time I would say, but according to me, I would say on based on my experience and based on people I see uh, have you must spend at least 2 years in a company to understand. the work culture, to understand the corporate culture, to understand the project nicely because I was very new to the project, right? Since 6 months I was in Ignite, then I moved to this project. Since 8, 9 months I worked here, but I luckily got selected under for BY, right? But what I was thinking, like if I worked for TCS for few more months or I might have good understanding on certain things. मैंने भी बहुत गलतियां करी है when I joined BY. There are I did once I got BY, I just got, stuck to BY only. I didn't apply for any other, interviews. ना तो ये गलतियां नहीं करनी चाहिए. जहां मिल रहा है हाथ पैर मारो. Try giving interviews everywhere. I did give other companies as well, but बहुत सारी चीजें जो मैंने miss out करी थी ना शुरू में when I was trying to switch, वो मैंने ध्यान ही नहीं दी जो अब मेरे माइंड में है. सो ये गलती आप ना करें. उसके ऊपर भी एक नया व्लॉग आएगा बहुत जल्द और बहुत जल्द आपको एक और गुड न्यूज भी मिलेगी. एंड या स्टे कनेक्टेड, आई वुड डेफिनेटली से उससे कोई इफेक्ट नहीं होगा. बट अगर आपको बहुत अच्छी अंडरस्टैंडिंग है आपके प्रोजेक्ट के ऊपर जो भी आप काम कर रहे हैं तो स्विच करने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. सामने वाली कंपनी को बंदा चाहिए, आप पे स्किल सेट है, डेफिनेटली देखो ना हायर. Surya, I told multiple times you got offer letter. Congratulations. It might take 1 or 2 months till November. You must get it. If not, please drop a mail to them. एक्सप्लोर मेल कब आएगा? ओएल मिल गया. एक्सप्लोर मेल कब आएगा? ओएल. ओके, यू गॉट द ऑफर लेटर. मैंने अभी बताया जस्ट नवंबर तक आ जाना चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से. हाउ मच आई विल टेक पीसीएस स्मार्ट हायरिंग टू गिव acceptance letter. So which many people are getting nowadays after their interview. So usually it takes 2 to 3 weeks after the interview to release the offer letter. Nayanjeet, if you're see, there are different scenarios or different other reasons for each and individual. For me, it was a budget issue, and I have to work. I didn't think about MCA. I didn't think about any other things. So I just go ahead and after BCA only I joined TCS. Okay, but it depends on you, Nayanjeet. Like if you have good the family support and everything, then go with MCA, no issues. And then after MCA, do MCA from a very good college. Okay. And then try to switch, right? Many companies come to your college for campus placements or try for off campus placement. But if you want to do job just after your graduation, go ahead. That's also a very good option. In TCS Next Step portal, there is a section called certification tracker where a star and ancillary certification are given. Okay, okay, okay. Thank you so much. So if you have any certification, अभी किसी ने मुझसे पूछा था पहले कि कोई डिजिटल मार्केटिंग का सर्टिफिकेशन है तो वो सर्टिफिकेशन आप वहां पे डाल सकते हैं, अपलोड कर सकते हैं. सो इफ यू हैव एनी यू नो आई वुड से नोन सर्टिफिकेट्स, वो क्या बोलते हैं जिसका जिसका इंपॉर्टेंस बहुत है, जैसे माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एश्योर सर्टिफिकेट, cloud certificate, right? Microsoft AZ 900, fundamental certificates, Google Cloud certificate, GCP certificates, right? Those certificates if you have, and any certificates, any known certificates you have, you can upload there. Any supply chain related supply chain related certificates or C++ coding related, SQL related certificates you have, upload there. You can upload there. So on the basis of that, also they can evaluate your skill set, and based on that, on every analysis, they might give you a good project related to your skill set. So it depends there as well. Abhijit, but I came to know so some colleagues that there is no increment after completion of 3 years. Is this for BTech or for Smart Identity? Abhijit, see, I have few of my friends. They all got like this increment after 3 years. They became what they become after. I guess system engineer. Yeah, they became system engineer and they got packaged. The friend of mine, which I was talking about, is from Ignite. She got hike for regular for every 3 years. First year programmer, second year I guess I'm not sure what was that associate system engineer, assistant system engineer. Then she became system engineer. So all the hikes she got, even she got the MC hike also, not that much, but yes, she got that as well. So her package is now around maybe almost it is around 4.9. So yeah, she got it. I'm not sure. Might be different for others as well because I have heard that as well, Abhijit, that they are not getting the third year hike, and they did not get the even some of them not get the first year hike too. So I don't know what to say about that, but yeah. few of them did not get second year, third year hike, but you definitely it's a process. Like in TCS, these three hikes are like designed like that. Once you get promotion, you will get a hike. So yeah, that is there. After 3 years, it depends on your performances and everything. But yeah, the March year end hike, you will definitely get it in every year. After 5 years, you will get another promotion. Till 3 years, it is defined that graduate trainee programmer, then assistant system engineer, then system engineer. Sorry, guys. Ma'am, I have got a offer letter from TCS before joining. Only they send the mail about TCS Explore protecting exam. Now what to do? And now they study and tell. What? Sorry. I have got offer letter from TCS before joining. Only they send mail about TCS Explore protecting exam. Now what to do? I have to study and crack that exam. When is that exam scheduled? Let me know that. And who's that question? Yash, please reach out to me on Instagram. I'll definitely help you there. Okay, please reach out to me on Instagram. Ashika, Anshika Shah. In the essay survey, I cannot find any digital essay survey. Then there is a drop down. Okay. So what all drop downs are there? If it is related to any certain field, then you can definitely add it. Otherwise, not sure. But yeah, if there is any other relatable field, please add it there. Ma'am, what is Ignite POE? What is POE? This is Ignite. I'm not sure on this, Lucky. I'm sorry. Can you please be more specific where you have got to know about this? Yash Gupta, 7 November. Okay, ma'am. I'll reach out to you. Sure, sure, sure. Please reach out to me. I hope you guys have my Instagram ID. If not, you can check my bio, my YouTube bio. There will be my Instagram ID. My interview, my HR said that this is not a technical role, so I'm confused. Just this is non-ignite means no, 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 no. See, when I was interviewed, right? So see, take it in a different way. So it's a service-based company, right? They have projects, they have everything. They are providing the services to the client. So mainly you are working on the support side only. It's we do have development projects, but it is usually from BCA and other candidates goes through this support role, the assisting roles, right, to the customers. Even if you're working in development, also sometimes you have to deal with customers. So, for example, there is a BTech candidate. There are many BTech candidates from my team, okay? And they were working with me in support team. But support doesn't mean you have to call the customers and take. So there is a so in pieces I was working on one tool, okay? Mhm. I was providing support, production support to that tool. So I was working on different cases. I was understanding different modules around that tools. So वो सपोर्ट का काम नहीं है, सपोर्ट का काम है वो डेफिनेटली, बट आपको कितनी फंक्शनैलिटीज जानने का मौका मिलेगा ये भी तो देखो। कितनी सारी चीजें आपको सीखने का मिलेगा, मौका मिलेगा कस्टमर से कनेक्ट करके आपकी कम्युनिकेशन दोज आपका जो अगर आपको कोई फेयर है या कम्युनिकेशन करने में वो कितना दूर होगा। सो ये सब चीजें होता है। सपोर्ट का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप उनको बैठ के कॉल लगाएंगे। कॉल सेंटर वाली जॉब नहीं होगी, आपको काफी कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा। नॉन टेक्निकल उसका मे भी उनका मतलब होगा इट्स नॉट प्योरली डेवलपमेंट रोल। Yes, Lucky. Yes, thank you so much for that. POA means the one which I was talking about earlier, right? जो मैं पहले बात करी थी ना, पोस्ट ऑफर एंगेजमेंट। एंगेजमेंट क्या मतलब, वो आपकी एक मीटिंग सेटअप होगा जिसमें वो आपको इग्नाइट के प्रोसेस के बारे में बताएंगे, क्या ट्रेनिंग है, कितने मंथ्स की होगी, क्या क्या सिखाया जाएगा, दैट्स इट। और कुछ नहीं, इग्नाइट के बारे में इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे आपको, बस और कुछ नहीं। Yeah, sure, Yash. Will they consider our skill set based on the certification uploader? Yes, Ashika, sorry. They, as I mentioned, मतलब आप ये सोचो कि अगर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग मार्केटिंग का वहां पे प्रोजेक्ट नहीं है, तो आप चाहे कितने भी सर्टिफिकेट लगा दो, आपको प्रोजेक्ट नहीं मिलेगा। अगर वहां है भी और वहां पे उनको जरूरत नहीं है, तो आपको मिलेगा नहीं, इतना मैं क्लियरली बोलूँ। और वहां अगर प्रोजेक्ट है, जरूरत है, तो दे माइट कंसिडर यू। So TCS major portal, main portal is Ultimatics. Check there, reach out to the people there. If they, reach out to the people who are working on the same project you want to work in, and ask them like if they have any, vacancies or if they have any requirements. So within pieces, you can move to that particular project. But depending on the business requirement, there will be, allot you those projects. I'm in Blue Yonder, Abhijit. Yes, Lucky, yeah. Who will get POE? The post offer engagement will usually got to the Ignite candidates to make them aware about the Ignite processes. TCS Smart hiring process for 2025 will be coming in the upcoming year, the next year, Ravindra. Okay, and it will be at the beginning of the year and the mid of the year. So might be two hiring will comes in 1 year. Does TCS Smart hiring exam have sectional cutoff or overall cutoff? See. There's no thing like sectional or overall cutoff. Okay, it depends how many candidates they require. Okay, if the exam is they want 500 candidates and you're under the criteria sectional cutoff, overall cutoff, then they definitely hire you. And if you're if you're not if you're like, it depends purely on how many candidates they want. This process has not been declared yet, how they're selecting the candidates based on what cutoff. So it will be depending on, I guess, overall cutoff, like the aptitude. So there are only three sections, right? So I guess overall cutoff only. So all the three sections are important. So yeah, but yeah, it's totally depend on how many candidates they want and what are the business requirements on certain things they might be hiring, and what cutoff they are using. So there nobody is aware of that. मैंने टीसीएस का 3 एग्जाम दिया था बट किसी में भी सिलेक्शन नहीं यार. नो वरी श्री, डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. इफ अपकमिंग हायरिंग इज देयर, टीसीएस एनक्यूटी आने वाला है, तो अगर वो आता है उसमें अप्लाई कीजिए. और आपने शायद उस टाइम मेरा एक वीडियो बनाया था सिलेबस के ऊपर एंड हाउ यू कैन प्रिपेयर, सो आप वो देख सकते हैं. आई होप दैट माइट हेल्प्स यू. हाउ कैन आई, और मन छोटा मत करो यार. टीसीएस थोड़ी कंपनी रह गई है, इन्फोसिस है, विप्रो है, बहुत सारी कंपनीज है, वहां पे भी ट्राई करिए. How can I'm an ignite candidate or that? आपको POE आया है सूर्या, so you will be the, if you get the POE mail, then you might be ignite candidate. I've already told in the video that if you're an ignite candidate, you will get the mail, you will get the mails about the meeting and the POE meeting, everything. So you'll get that. Ravindra, after selection, they will giving you graduate trainee profile, okay? And you can reach out to my on my channel for several other videos where I've mentioned all the salary based on the role. Once you're a fresher, what salary, what is your role, and everything is there. So you can check there as well. From 1 to 5 years, everything is there. Ashika, I can comment on that freelancing projects because I'm not a right one to comment on that. It's totally depend. I'm not sure. Yeah. I guess I'm mostly talking in English only. Yeah. So your first question was the certificate thing. I was telling you that it's totally depend. So for example, Ashika, if they have the marketing, digital marketing project, if they have vacancy, they will definitely reach out to you, or you can check on Ultimatics to the people with the people who are working in the same domain you want to work, and you can reach out to them if their projects have any vacancies or hiring is going within the thesis in their project. So you can reach out to them and they might conduct an internal interview for that project. And if not, it's purely depend on the business requirements. And Ashika, to your freelance project thing, I can't comment on that. Sorry. How many ones, Vivek? I guess. I mean, see now what is happening, right? What I'm hearing from many of my colleagues, ex-colleagues, or ex-employees, or my some of my friends, that every year they are changing few processes. Like sometimes now, earlier what was there? There were like one aptitude question when I was there in thesis. There was aptitude test, two coding rounds. One it is clear, then you are good to go, you are selected, okay, after the interview. But now what is happening, there is some English exam, some business exam, some different technical exam also. So one, you have to clear that. So there are different courses they have launched. So once you go through the courses, so I guess one or 2 months is enough to clear the wings one exam. So you have to first clear all those courses and then you have to appear for the exam. So that is there now going on. I only got a letter for thesis not, and this means I'm not selected for POE. No, 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 no. POE is after the offer letter, dear. POE is nothing but is the engagement call with Ignite team to make you aware about the different things. Okay, to make you aware of the processes, Ignite training programs, everything. So don't consider that you are not selected. If you are getting explore mails, so you can have an idea that you are selected under under the explore training program. Yeah, Ashika, most welcome. Thank you for joining the session. Yeah. So I guess, guys, it's almost about 1 hour. It was a nice session, and I thoroughly enjoyed our, you know, while clearing your doubts. And मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा इतना it was a very interactive session. ऑफर लेटर के बाद पीओई सबको आना शुरू लाइक सूर्या many are getting this POE. I guess at the beginning few of the candidates asked me. I guess Lucky Sharma asked me. You can reach out to him on Instagram or anything. Lucky, if you are there, you can mention your Instagram ID. So you can ask them. No Lucky Gaming. TCS doesn't provide bonus for Ignite candidate. That's what I know till now. And Surya, to your questions, POE could be after 1 or 2 weeks after your offer letter to to have that meeting with the Ignite team. Vivek, and the last question is TCS monitoring exam as hard as NQT for or easy? I would say it's easy यार, nothing that much typical. कुछ नहीं है, इतना hard नहीं है. बस aptitude questions है, वो थोड़ा typical रहते हैं अगर आपकी aptitude सही नहीं है. बाकी grammar reasoning सही है, इतना tough नहीं होता, तो बहुत easy है. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Surya. Most welcome, most welcome. I have experience of TCS Smart on many years. We know that I have tell everyone multiple times it is November. It could be November, but if you not get till November, please start mailing them asking for the updates. Okay. मैम ऑफर लेटर में कहाँ मेंशन रहता है इग्नाइट ऑफर लेटर में मेंशन नहीं होगा चैट एडिट्स ऑफर लेटर में मेंशन नहीं होगा आपको मेल आने शुरू हो जाएंगे एक्सप्लोर से या इग्नाइट का एक पीओई मेल होता है एंगेजमेंट प्रोग्राम उसमें आ जाएगा आपको मेल आपको पता चल जाएगा डस टीसीएस एनक्यूटी वर्थ इट एनक्यूटी तो बीटेक का होता है ना राइट यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द पेड वन एनक्यूटी विशाल Okay, yeah, Vinod. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, guys, I guess I'm done with the question. If you still have any questions, you can drop your comments for your questions. Okay. The paid one, I guess it's fine. I'm not sure many candidates. I don't know they are hiring or not, but yeah, uh, it's okay to give, and you are applicable for other companies as well. विच इज बेटर टीसीएस स्मार्ट हायरिंग और टीसीएस विप्रो विल यार देखो मैं तो इतना बॉन्ड वाले इससे ना आई कांट वर्क इन विद बॉन्ड इट्स 5 years but yeah learning would be there and the package is stuck you might get so for example you're working in TCS within 2 3 years you can leave the company if you like or not but in Wipro you have to work so I'm not sure like bond hai so I might not consider it that much I will prefer TCS but there is one more drawback with thesis. Once we left thesis, we can't join it back. So that is there. So depend. It's totally up to you what you are thinking. If you want to stuck in a company still so long, if you want to work there for so long, go with Wipro. Will everyone saying thesis is not good for freshers? What is your opinion? तो देखो Ashika. Okay, now no more questions. Huh? I will take like Anil सूर्य का लास्ट क्वेश्चन था ओके सूर्य फॉर लकी अनिल मनल के बाद मैं कोई क्वेश्चन आंसर नहीं करूंगी बिकॉज 1 घंटा हो गया आई हैव टू टेक माय डिनर या ओके सो या सी हर किसी का अपना एवरीवन हैज देयर ओन एक्सपीरियंसेस फॉर मी इट वाज गुड फॉर माय फ्रेंड्स इट वाज रियली गुड फॉर सम कैंडिडेट इट वाज नॉट गुड एट ऑल in service based company right every service based companies work similarly right but why they say TCS is not good because once you join TCS you can once you leave TCS you can't join back right in TCS you can't work again okay now I just left TCS I can't go back and work again with TCS but I would say everyone has their own experiences mine was okay it was good to okay some days are good some days are bad for some people every day is bad I've heard like shocking experiences with some of the candidates, but it's everywhere. It's everywhere, Ashika. So I can't say this company is good, this is not good. It depends on the people. Every company is nice, but it depends on the people. How because बोलते हैं ना कि with people makes the home, people makes or destroy the home. So it's people who make the work culture nice, and it's people who will destroy the work culture. So it's totally depend on the people who are working with you and which team you are working with. Because in my case, I was working night shift. Some of my friends are working extending their shift. Some of them are like relaxing. So that is there. Yeah, lucky. Yeah, lucky. Okay. Salary package of Ignite Explore. So there is a increment in the Ignite package. So like I don't know, when I was there, there's like 1.9 same package, but I guess now there is 2.5 something package for Ignite and 1.95 for Explore. 2022 अगस्त इंटरव्यू एंड 6 सेमेस्टर को ओएल बट स्लो जेल. अभी नहीं आएगा जेल, अभी नहीं आएगा जेल. जेल आएगा नवंबर दिसंबर नवंबर. नवंबर अभी टाइम लगेगा बिकॉज बैचेस में इतने सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं. आराम से रहिए और कंपनीज के लिए भी ट्राई करिए. पीसीएस पे रिलाय मत करिए और कंपनीज के लिए भी ट्राई करिए. नो वरीज सूर्या, you can utilize make use of this live session also. No. TCS Smart hiring candidates not did not get joining letter as per now, as per my understanding and knowledge. No. So see, Praveen, it will be very easy, not that much typical. Okay, so you can definitely prepare for it. Even I guess they will give you two or three chances. I guess there are there, so don't worry about that. It will be easy. You will clear it easily. क्या करूँ यार, मैं यहाँ पर आ गई थी 8 से 9 तक. 8 to 9 आई डेंट गेट टाइम. आई वाज वर्किंग on some other something. And dinner should be, I sorry, डिनर तो करना नहीं है, बट आई हैड सम कॉफी और मिल्क एट ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम. सो मुझे मन कर रहा है अभी पीने का. तो आई हैव दैट. अनिल मनल क्या क्वेश्चन था आपका? मैंने बोला तो अनिल, 22 को अभी नवंबर में आएगा वो हायरिंग. ठीक है, नवंबर में आएगा ज्वाइनिंग लेटर. 15-20 दिन पहले आपकी ज्वाइनिंग से बता दिया जाएगा ज्वाइनिंग लेटर, ताकि आप सारे अरेंजमेंट्स कर लें अच्छे से. और फिर आपको ज्वाइनिंग लेटर आ जाएगा. नवंबर में नहीं आता तो आप वहां पर जाके पूछ सकते हैं. ठीक है, मतलब उनसे मेल में पूछ सकते हैं क्यों नहीं आ रहा है. I just mentioned Obito. It will be around November, October end, or November starting, or maybe November end. It can stretch to November end as well. It's not in. If you're not getting in November, please reach out to them on mail. Vinod Venkatesh, ma'am, you are from. I am from Uttarakhand, a beautiful holy city. ओके गाइस, सो आई गेस वी आर गुड. एंड वन मोर थिंग, अब मैं कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं ले रही हूँ, बट आपको रूपू के लिए एक न्यूज शेयर करनी है, एक कुछ डिस्कशन भी करना है. ठीक है, या यू कैन आस्क नाउ. सी गाइस, नो मोर क्वेश्चंस. यू कैन आस्क मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, और कल मैं आपको डेफिनेटली आंसर कर दूंगी. यू माइट see a delay in my response, but please bear with me. I will definitely reach out to you. Okay, now please ask, and Ashika and Anil, please ask your questions on Ignite, on the on your व्हाट वी से इंस्टाग्राम, क्योंकि बहुत बड़ी हो जाएगी वीडियो. ठीक है, फिर बहुत बड़ा लाइक जा रहा है. ओके, सो वन मोर थिंग व्हाट आई हैव टू टेल यू. सी गाइस, आप लोगों ने सबने सुना होगा, है ना, एक कंपनी में एक एम्प्लॉय की अभी रिसेंटली डेथ हो गई है वर्क प्रेशर के कारण. सेकेंडली, देयर वाज एन एम्प्लॉय व्हिच वाज लाइंग डेड इन द ऑफिस, एंड नो वन नोज टिल 4 days. तो इन सब के ऊपर ना मैंने लिंक्डइन में मैंने एक पोस्ट डाला था. काफी उन्हें अप्रिशिएट भी करा उसको. आप देख सकते हैं साक्षी थापा से लिंक्डइन में वो पोस्ट भी अबाउट दोस्त. तो मैंने ना वो किसी कंपनी को टारगेट करा, ना किसी गवर्नमेंट को टारगेट करा. ठीक है, वहां पर काफी लोग कंपनी के वर्क कल्चर के बारे में बोलते हैं, कोई लोग गवर्नमेंट को बोल रहा था एक्शन लो एक्शन लो. ठीक है, अब मुझे बताओ, रोड में आप चल रहे हो, ठीक है, गाड़ी आ रही है पीछे से. ठीक है, आप बहुत अच्छे स्पीड में जा रहे हो. ठीक है, आप नॉर्मल स्पीड में हो, आप अपनी लाइन में चल रहे हो, पीछे से गाड़ी आपको उड़ा देती है. ठीक है, गलती किसकी है? टेल मी. उसकी गलती है ना, मतलब जो गाड़ी से आपको मार के चला गया. ठीक है, बट लगी किसको है? आपको. ठीक है, सिमिलरली इन दिस आईटी सेक्टर्स, गलती आपकी भले ना हो, ठीक है, बट आप पे वर्क प्रेशर आ रहा है. किसकी हेल्थ डिटोरेट हो रही है? किसको अफेक्ट हो रहा है? किसको दिक्कत आ रही है? आपको. ठीक है, So you can't blame government, you can't change the government, you can't change the, I would say, the your team, because government के we are just a one individual entity. You know, हर चीज पे वो focus नहीं कर सकते. There are other many things. So government के we are just a small entity, a part of India. कितने accident होते हो रहे, कितनी चीजें हो रही है. I guess everywhere is there. I'm hearing so much negative news. हर चीज हो रही है, ठीक है. बट आप खुद के लिए और आपकी फैमिली के लिए आप यू आर एन ओनली इंडिविजुअल, ठीक है. तो अब मैं देखो, ऐसी चीजें आती जाएंगी, ठीक है, ऐसे न्यूज आते जाएंगे. बट मैं यहाँ पर ना सिस्टम बदलने की बात कर रही हूँ, ना मैं यहाँ पर कंपनी का वर्क कल्चर जो है चलता रहेगा. बट आपको अपने लिए डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा ही पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू डिसाइड फॉर योर सेल्फ. We are not working so bloody hard. We are not cracking the interviews. We are not, you know, doing or giving our best at every possible way, so that we can die one day at our office desk, just because of the work pressure, right? So what my humble request to you, look after yourself, work on your physical health, work on your mental health. Whatever you are going through, share with your family, ठीक है. फैमिली से शेयर करोगे, अच्छे रिस्पॉन्सेज मिलेंगे. शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स whom you find a very very close to your heart. एंड once you will get अंडरस्टैंडिंग मिलेगी. बिकॉज आप घर में बैठे रहोगे और कुछ नहीं, when you are not getting anything, work, your mind will burst out anything. Live your life fully. If you're getting work pressure, and you're not valued, and you're feeling very depressing, change your company. If you're not getting, take a break, or I would say take a break. Leave ले लो 5-6 दिन की, and refresh your mind. Change the company. Go there where you are valued. ठीक है. अब जब अच्छी बातें बताने लगी ना, तो सब चलेगा यहाँ से. 3 ही बचे हैं. बट कोई बात नहीं, इन तीनों को भी बता दीजिए. ओ 6 आ गए अब. ओके, नाइस. सो मैं इतना ही बोलूंगी कि अपने ऊपर काम करो. आपको कंपनी का वर्क कल्चर आप बदल नहीं सकते, लोगों की सोच आप बदल नहीं सकते हो. गवर्नमेंट का कहाँ गवर्नमेंट अपने मुद्दे सुलझाएगी कि आईटी सेक्टर पर ध्यान देगी. तो मैं यही बोलूंगी कि भैया अपने लिए आप खुद जिम्मेदार हो, आप अपनी फैमिली के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट हो, आप अपने लिए इंपॉर्टेंट हो. अपने ऊपर ध्यान दो. डोंट लुक आफ्टर एनी वन एल्स. जितना काम है उतना काम करो. एक्स्ट्रा काम फालतू का करने की मतलब ये नहीं. मैं आपको वो नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि मत करो काम, काम करो, बट विच इज नॉट अंडर योर कंट्रोल लिमिट्स. आपको बहुत प्रेशराइजिंग लग रहा है, रीच आउट टू योर मैनेजर्स, रीच आउट टू योर टीम की नहीं हो पा रहा है आपसे. और अगर कुछ आपको लगता है कि यहाँ पर पॉलिटिक्स ये सब हो रही है, तो भैया वहां से तो निकलना ही बेटर है, ठीक है. वहां से निकलो, कटो, और अपना मस्त कोई अच्छी जगह पे जॉब करो, जहाँ पे यू आर चेरिश, योर वर्क इज चेरिश, वेयर यू आर एंजॉइंग द वर्क. अब मैं ये बोलूंगी, आईटी इज द नॉट ओनली. देखो, आईटी जॉब इट्स वेरी वेरी हैक्टिक ऑल्सो. समटाइम्स एवरी जॉब देयर इज समथिंग और द अदर थिंग, और इन एनी अदर जॉब. कोई बोलता है गवर्नमेंट इज वेरी, गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स आर awesome. कोई बोलता है आईटी जॉब्स आर बेस्ट बिकॉज दे आर गेटिंग गुड पैकेज. बट कितना पैकेज है, उस पर कितना वर्क प्रेशर है, वो डिपेंड करता है. सिमिलरली गवर्नमेंट जॉब है ना, तो काफी उनकी भी ऐसे सर्टेन, आई वुड से उनकी भी ऐसे सर्टेन दिक्कतें होंगी या परेशानी होंगी. बट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, लुक आफ्टर योरसेल्फ. यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन योरसेल्फ. प्रिपेयर योर माइंड एंड फिजिकल हेल्थ. प्रायोरिटाइज योर फिजिकल एंड मेंटल हेल्थ. एंड देन जस्ट थिंक, अपने आप को प्रायोरिटाइज करो सबसे पहले. काम, फैमिली, वॉट एवर देर इट इज, इग्नोर एवरीथिंग. जहां प्रेशर हो रहा है वहां पर से टेक अ ब्रेक, आई वुड से, ठीक है. और फिर आराम से बैठ के सोचो, टेक योर टाइम एंड रियलाइज सर्टेन थिंग्स, एंड देन go ahead. And now I'm there also. जो भी कभी guidance चाहिए हो, I'm there. Okay, for you guys. So yeah, I guess now it's a good time to drop. It's almost more than one hour. कितना हो गया? Oh my God, 64 minutes. So okay, guys, I'm dropping here. If you have any questions, any queries जो अभी तक मैंने आंसर नहीं करा, कमेंट डाउन कर लीजिएगा. और आपको ये लाइव सेशन कैसा लगा, अपना एक्सपीरियंस जरूर जरूर शेयर करना. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच. ऑल द बेस्ट. लव यू ऑल. स्टे कनेक्टेड, स्टे ट्यून. बहुत जल्दी काफी अलग अलग वीडियोस आने वाली है. बाय बाय, टेक केयर.